south entrance. Yeah?
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Are you all right? Thank you. You're such a gentleman. It's so kind of you to help me. I really wasn't sure if we'd make it or not. Is there some problem I can help you with?
No. No.
I really can't thank you enough. Isn't this fun? Oh, you're being such such a good boy, sweetheart. Thank you again. This is so wonderful. Oh, thank you, sir. Here, please, let me take him from here. You've been such a great help. Thank you so much. Oh, this is almost... I'll take you from here, sir. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you, sir. Don't cry, sweetheart. We're almost home. Is something wrong? Sir?
Come on, let's get out of here. What are you doing? Shut up! Come on, shut up! What? Oh, stop! What are you doing? Shut the fuck up! Hold it! Please, hold it! My baby!
Stay there, he's all right.
What the... Shut up! I said hold it! What the... See, I'm walking out with the bookkeeper, and the bookkeeper and me are driving away. See? Or else he dies. He dies, please, and you ain't got nothing. You got 5 seconds to make up your mind. I'll tell you what you want to know. Shut up! I'm not kidding, that crazy. You don't have to do this. I'll tell you what you want to know, for Christ's sake.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
One! Will you stop it?
Take him.
2.